I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, and sometimes I do surprise uploads, so you're gonna have it. Subscribing, hitting the bell, subscribing, hitting the bell. This is an update video on some Janet collection wigs, so let's just get into it, because that's what you're here for, yeah? The first wig that I have is Miss Coral. I reviewed her fairly recently for you. Coral wig is part of the Brazilian scent protein infused wigs, okay, and it's a pre-tweezed lace part. She's lace parting, she's not a lace front. I have her in the color cappuccino. There's a full review on her. I really love this wig. I think for someone who is newer to wigs, this would be an easy wig to wear. She definitely has a yucky texture, but you can feel that the different fibers. That does feel like a healthier hair. I've worn her several times. You can see her, she's sort of all over my Instagram. I feel like this is a great work wig. This is a great run to the store, or I'm late, or it's a great wig in general. I love the coloring, and you can see that 613 in there with the highlights. This is a warm wig, so I don't think that she would be super great into like the hot summer. You know, spring, fall, winter, I think she'd be great. She doesn't tangle. I haven't gotten any tangling on her. And like I said, I just think this is a super flattering wig. I will say the wig cap seems to be smaller than other Janet collection wigs that I have reviewed. So I do have to say that. I would say she's an average wig cap if you're looking for something. I would even say average to maybe smaller wig cap. So if you're looking for something because you're looking for a larger wig cap, this would not be the wig for you. I think she's a beginner friendly wig, work friendly wig, and I definitely enjoy her. Okay, next up is one of my favorite wigs as well. This is the Felicia wig. This is a 4x4 parting. I have her in the color OET 4/613. There's a full review on her. I think this is one of the wigs that actually has a very true 4 root. She's a 4x4 parting. I feel like I need to lay her down just a little bit more. I really, really love this wig. It's a yucky wig. It's soft. It's just like sexy and cute. I have been working on different like dyeing and toning techniques for synthetic wigs, and I have a bunch that I've already done and videos that I'm filming for that. Now that I'm looking at her after I've toned a crap ton of wigs, I noticed that she is a little bit more yellow than I like, and I am going to tone her. So if you want me to do a special update video on what she looks like toned, I can do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the yellow out of her. This is one of my most favorite wigs, so I think if I tone her, I'll even want to wear her more. I love the texture. She doesn't tangle. It's just great. So I really, really love her. This one I suggest. Sometimes you have to hunt around for colors or to get her. She tends to be a little bit expensive, so this is one you're gonna want to maybe put the time in and getting her on a sale. But I love Felicia. I definitely suggest her. Next up, I have the extended lace part Nuna. I have her in the color Mocha Blonde, and I just got a backup of her in the Golden Blonde, I think it was. Golden Blonde. I want to get her in Chocolate Blonde as well. She is a yucky texture. I absolutely love this wig. She does need to be washed. I actually slept in her, and I didn't get a ton of tangling or shedding, but I had put like a crap ton of dry shampoo, and you can see, like, that's because there's like a lot of dry shampoo in there. Like, this side isn't as bad, but this side is. So she does need to be washed. So as soon as I'm doing this update, I will wash her. But I love her. The color is stunning. She's a perfect length, especially just for like chilling or at work or whatever. I think she looks pretty natural, and I just love this wig. Like I said, I have not had any issues with shedding or tangling. Like, I slept in her and she brushed right out. I just need to wash the extra dry shampoo out. But other than that, Nuna is definitely on my list of ones that I would suggest anybody get. Very, very comfortable. Wig cap is comfortable. You can shift the part. And so, yeah, Nuna is definitely not a no-no, but a yes. That was horrible. I'm sorry. Nuna is a good one. She's a keeper. Last but not least, I have Miss Leah, and I'm just trying these on like just for the review, but I'm gonna put a little powder so you can get the full fit. Okay, Okay, and Miss Leah is just like Nunu. She's the extended lace part, and she is very, very, very long. She's probably at least 28 inches. I have her in the color Toffee Cream. I absolutely love this wig. I wore this wig out. I rocked this wig. Like, this is one of my favorite, like, super long straight wigs. I love the ashiness of the toffee color. I did review a wig that looks like it would be similar from Janet Collection Maggie, and it's not. This is a yaki texture, so she doesn't really get, like, she's gonna get some tangling because she's super long, but like Maggie was tangly, tangly, tangly. This one, she's tangling a little bit. But she's been in her package. Like, I don't feel like she's tangled a ton, and I do feel like she could easily be cut off the ends and then she'd be all good. But I really love Leah. I'm not getting rid of her. If you're choosing between Leah and Maggie, I'm telling you right now, get Leah, do not get Maggie, okay? And yeah, I just love this wig. Those are my updates for Janet Collection wigs. If you have any additional questions about the wigs, please let me know down below. If you want updates on reviews for other wigs, you can put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.